our next question, students. Modulus of x minus 2 is not greater than lesser than 2x square minus 9x plus 1. I will write the question here. Mod of x minus 2 is less than 2x square minus 9x plus 9. Okay. So we want to find such x value. Modulus is sigma. So what I can say that I can take two cases. X less than 0 case, x greater than or equal to 0 case. First of all, case 1. What is that? Mod of x minus 2 is lesser than 0. That implies mod of x minus 2 nothing but minus times of x minus 2. So given inequality becomes mod of x minus of x minus 2 less than 2x square minus 9x plus 9. Or in other words, I can say that is x square, 2x square minus 8x plus 7 greater than 0. So here we can't find factors, that's right. I want to perfect square method. X square minus 4x plus 7 by 2 greater than 0. Okay, or multiply 2 on the side, no problem. Only instead you can use. So what I can say, 4x square minus 16x plus 15 greater than 0. I can write 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x. Okay, so 2 to the 4 of 16 into that one, into 4 plus 14 greater than 0. A square must be a because b square 16 I want, I will add 16, I will subtract 16. So 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 4 plus 16 minus 16 plus 4 greater than 0. I will write there only. So what happened? 2x minus 4 whole square minus 2 greater than 0. Or in other words, I can say that 2x minus 4 whole square minus root 2 whole square greater than 0. Or a plus b to a minus b. 2x minus 4 plus root 2 into 2x minus 4 minus root 2 greater than 0. Okay, students, actually what is the case? X minus 2 less than 0, x less than 0 case. So I have completed our case is x less than 0 case. What I can say, this is nothing but x minus of 4 minus root 2 by 2 I can write into x minus of 4 plus root 2 by 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so I can use number line. Yes, with our number line, 0 should I use line. This is 4 minus root 2 by 2. This is 4 plus root 2 by 2. So greater symbols plus, minus, plus. Actually you want these values. So what I can say now, O control 5 plus root 3 by 2 infinity and minus into minus 4 minus root 2 by 2. Equality is given. So I will change the problem here. So lesser than or, I will write lesser than or equal to, less than or equal to, total problem change, greater than or equal to. You include these two also include. Okay. So what is our case actually? X less than 2 case. X less than 2. First of all, we need to write where is 2 on the number line. So 4 minus 2 by 2, the 2 should be greater than that, lesser than 4 by 2. Somewhere we have 2 that line. So our case is x less than 2, less than. All these values. For what intersection, I can say this is the intersection. What is the intersection? X belongs to minus into 4 minus root 2 by 2 close because r equal to given. So this is the one of the part of the solution. I will write that part there. Part 1 what we got? X belongs to minus into 4 minus root 2 by 2 close. So this is the part 1. from the second case, that is x greater than 0. X greater than 2. Next case. Case 2 is x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 implies x greater than or equal to 2. In this case, mod of x minus 2 becomes x minus 2. So the inequality becomes x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2x square minus plus 9. Or another way, consider 2x square minus 10x plus 11 is greater than or equal to 0. Again, it is not a perfect square. No, we can't find the factors. No? That's why I'm multiplying 2 on the other side. 4x square minus 20x plus 22 greater than or equal to 0. So, listen on here. 2x whole square I can write that. Minus 2 into 2x into 5 plus 22 greater than or equal to 0. What happened? A square must clearly be found plus b square. Should add it, should subtract 2x into 5. 5 square you want 25. Add it, 25, subtract it, plus 22 greater than or equal to 0. So what I can say is 2x minus 5 whole square minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Or another way I can say that 2x minus 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Or another way I can say that 2x minus 5 plus root 3 into 2x minus 5 minus root 3 greater than or equal to 0. Because a square minus b square is a plus b to a minus. I will write. Okay. So what we will get, I will write here. So x minus half 5 minus root 3 by 2 into x minus half 5 plus root 3 by 2 greater than or equal to 0. Again, I want to use number. This is our number line. And infinity. 0 should identify. One of them is 5 plus root 3 by 2. Another is 5 minus root 3 by 2. So, plus minus plus, these two will include. So our solution area is this. But our case is x greater than 2 plus. Greater than 2 is here only. So greater than 2 is this area. So this is the common area. What I can say? X belongs to closed 5 plus root 3 by 2 to infinity. This is the part. So I will combine part 1 and part 2. We will get the total solution. Okay. So I will write that last. Yeah, from 1 and 2. I can say x belongs to minus into 4 minus 50 by 2 union closed 5 plus 50 by 2. So I can say that this is the correct option. So that here should be lesser than or equal. Yeah, our next question, interesting question. The line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 meet the x-axis at a and y-axis at b, and the line y equal to x at c such that the area of the triangle AOC is twice the area of the triangle BOC, then find the coordinates of c. Okay, easy problem. Listen. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. This is the line express x by a plus y by b equal to 1. I can write x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and y equal to x axis, which is the bisector of third quadrant and first quadrant. This is the y equal to x line. So I will write that is y equal to x line. So x axis at the point A, y axis at the point B. This is the point C. So what is given? An area of the triangle AOC. This area is twice of this. This is delta. This is 2 delta. Such a way that you will find the coordinates of C. Okay. First of all, A coordinates are taken as A comma B, obviously, because the line equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. The coordinates of B taken as 0 comma b. Okay. So C is the point on y-axis. Means x and y coordinate both are same. Just like alpha and alpha I can write, right? After that I can find alpha and alpha. Both are equal. Okay, one more thing is alpha is on the line. Let us write C is on x by a plus y by b equal to 1 means alpha by a plus alpha by b equal to 1 means alpha times of 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 are alpha times of A plus B by AB equal to 1 is alpha equal to AB by A plus B actually. The actual C coordinates are AB by A plus B comma AB by A plus B. But see the options all are in terms of either in A or in B. This means from this area concept you will find the relationship between A and B. From that we will get the relation. Actually alpha equal to AB by A plus B. Okay, then? So I will find area of this triangle. Actually 0 comma 0. So I will write them. Next page. Yeah. One triangle is given here. What is the triangle? This is O 0 comma 0. A comma 0. This alpha. Alpha. One more triangle here. 0 comma 0. Alpha comma alpha. This is 0 comma. This is B. This is C. This is O. O plus C. A. Okay. What is given? Area of triangle OAC equal to 2 times of area of triangle OBC. Okay. Half into area of the triangle 0 0 A 0 alpha alpha 0 0 should be equal to 2 times of half into area of the triangle 0 0 alpha alpha 0 B 0 0 shortcut. Okay, half you can see. What I can see that here mod 0 0 A alpha equal to 2 into 0 0 alpha B. So what I can say A alpha mod square equal to 4 into alpha B square. What happened? A square alpha square equal to 16, no, 4 on directly. 4 alpha square into B square, alpha square. See, what I can say A equal plus or minus 2. Okay. So what is given the problem? Not mentioned about A and B. I can assume that A and B are in first quadrant. So I can directly say that A equals to 2B or A equal to minus 2, no problem. So I will substitute this A value here. So I will get the answer C. That I will write. What I got, I will write. Okay. Alpha equal to, so what I can write instead of A 2 beta. 2 beta beta by 2 beta plus beta. Then put 2 beta square by 3 beta. What I can say 2b by 3. What I can say alpha 2 by 3 automatically alpha comma alpha 1. See, now I can say 2 beta by 3 comma 2 beta by 3. There is the answer to the problem. Okay, you can take A equal to minus 2b option, but you won't get the option A, B, C, D. So you get negatives, but in the A, B, C, D option, no negative coordinates. That's directly I can conclude that our C is 2b by 3 comma 2 by 3 is the D option. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain now, you can take A equal minus 2b also, no problem. So next question. The orthocenter of the triangle formed the lines x y equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 1. Students listen, this is just a simple question. Y-axis, x-axis and x plus y equal to 1. So here xy equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 or y equal to both x and y is 0. One is the y-axis, one is the x-axis and the line, this triangle. In this triangle, we want an orthocenter. Obviously, right angle triangle, orthocenter is located at where the right angle is formed. I can see that 0, 0 is the orthocenter of the triangle. Directly, I can say that C is the correct answer of the problem. So next question, students. If the lines x plus 2ay plus a comma 0, x plus 3by plus b equals 0, and x plus 4cy plus c equals 0 are concurrent, then a, b, c are in dash. So for 51st question, what I can say. So 1, 2a, 2b, 1, 3B, B, 1, 4C, C, their depth should be 0. Whichever the frequency integration. Okay. One time of 3BC minus 4BC minus 2A times of C minus 2 plus A times of 4C minus 3. 3BC minus BC minus 2AC plus 2AB plus 4AC minus 3BA. Okay. So first of all, I want to edit the like terms here. Students, AC like terms, these two gives plus 2AC. Okay. 2AB, 3B minus AB minus BC equal to 0. That I will write clear here. What I can write here? What I can say 2AC equal to AB plus BC. Or 2AC equal to B times of A plus C. Or 2AC by A plus C equal to B. After there in HB, obviously B by 2 equal to AC by A plus C. Or 2 by B equal to A plus C by AC. What in that? They are in harmonic progression. I can say C is the correct answer. So problem 52 straight away you can solve. Mod x is equal to A and A is a non-negative number. Directly I can say x equal to A and x equal to x equal to R minus A. 3x plus 4 by 3 should be equal to 7. Or 3x plus 4 by 3 equal to minus 7. Or 3x plus 4 equal to 21. Or 3x plus 4 equal to minus 21. Or 3x is equal to 4 to subtract 6, 7, 17. X is equal to 17 by 3. Here x is equal to minus 25 by 3. Minus 25 by 3 or 17 by 3. 25 by 3 or minus 17 by 3. So I can go with option B. Yeah, this is our next problem. Nana. This is in the form of mod A plus mod of A plus B equal to mod A plus mod A. We know that mod of A plus B equal to mod A plus mod B implies A into B greater than 1. What a meaning? That A means 2x minus B means 3x minus by x should be greater than alpha. Okay. Means these are to solve inequality. 2x minus 1 by 2, 3x minus 1 by 0 greater x greater than alpha 0. Simple problem by using science scheme or Wavy-Taub method we complete it. Somewhere 0 here, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6. So 3 by 6 will be this is here 1 by 3, here 1 by 2. Okay, science scheme you get plus, minus. Here 1 by 2 will satisfy, 1 by 3 also satisfy, but 0, 1 satisfy. But you want plus symbols here, that's why I can say that x belongs to open 0 to closed 1 by 3, union closed 1 by 2 to infinity. Open. I can say that this is the answer to the problem. Next question. Consider family of lines 5x plus 3y minus 2 plus lambda 1 into 3x minus 5 minus 2 to 0 and x minus 5 plus 1 plus lambda 2 into 2x minus 5 minus 2 to 0. Equation of the straight line belongs to both the families. This is an interesting question. So observe, important observation here. This is a family of concurrent lines because these two lines are intersecting lines. So let's say this is one of the family. So what is the point of congruency? What is the point of intersection of these two? That only the point of. So this is another family of concurrent lines because observe these two. Again they are intersecting lines. Another family. Okay, what we want to find out equation of a line which is passes both the family means a line which is passes to these two families. such equation should find. Okay, so what I can say, so it is enough to find the point of congruency of first family, point of congruency of second family. By using 2-point form, I can find the equation of the straight line. Okay. So first of all, I want to solve 5x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 with 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0, or 3x minus 4 equal to, let's substitute this variable here. So 5x plus 3 times of 3x minus 4 minus 2 equal to 0, or 5x plus 9x minus 12 minus 2 equal to 0, or 14x equal to 15, x is equal to 1. Okay. So substitute x equal to 1 in y, then we will get y is equal to 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 4. What means that the family of lines will passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Next, second family. So x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 should be solved with x minus 2y minus 2. Just subtract minus plus these two get cancelled. Minus x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Substitute x for any one of the equation. 3 minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to 4 means 3 comma 4. Now I want to find the equation which passes through 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 1. What are the equation of passing through 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 1 is, so y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. That is y plus 1 by 5 equal to x minus 1 by 2, or 2y plus 2 equal to 5x minus 5, or 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the required statement. Okay. 5x minus 2y, and so I can go with option B. Next question, friends. Interesting question. Suppose A and B are 2 points on the line 2x minus 5 plus 3 equal to 0, and P1 comma 2 is such that PA equal to PB in the midpoint of AB. So interesting question. This reason A comes 5 times given. This name is given by 2x minus 5 plus 3 equal to 0. On this line, A and B are 2 points whose coordinates are not given. So P is a point. Here you can say P is not on the line. You can say 2. P is not on the line. So somewhere P. 1 comma. So that PA length equal to PB. Clearly, if PA equal to PB, what I can say? P lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB. I will write that PA according to locus theorem. Okay, PA equal to PB implies that P lie on perpendicular bisector of AB. For example, students listen. This is a perpendicular bisector of AB, perpendicular and also bisector. So, for example, M is the midpoint. Now, what I can say? M is the required point. M is the midpoint of AB. How can you find which is a perpendicular bisector of AB? In other words, I can say that M is the foot of P. M is the foot of P. So, by using foot concept, I can find N. Okay? Yes. I will write that midpoint of AB equal to M, which equal to foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular of P on line. What line? On x 2x minus 5 plus 3 equal to 0. Just this is taken as h comma 2. you know the process to find the food. I will write it. The h minus 1 by coefficient of x2 equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 equal to minus times of, okay, 2 minus 2 plus 3 by a square plus b square 4 plus 1. Okay. Yeah, what I write now here? H minus 1 by 2 equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 5. So h minus 1 equal to minus 6 by 5 or k minus 2 equal to 3 by 5 or h equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 1, k equal to 3 by 5 plus 2. Okay. So what I can say here, h is equal to minus 1 by 5 or k equal to 15 by 5. Therefore, m equal to minus 1 by 5 comma 15 by 5. So I can go with option A. Next question, friends. So directly you can find the solution by using the science T method or variable method, but I don't like negative x square here. So that's why multiplying with one negative, you will get x square minus 2 into x minus 3 whole cube by x plus 1 into, actually I can factorize that is x minus 3 into, so minus 4 factors, 4 ones are x minus 4 into x plus 1, that one. Yeah, greater than or equal to lesser than or equal to, because I multiplied with one negative here. Okay, so another words I can write this one as directly. Listen, here I will write x plus root 2 into x minus root 2, okay, into x minus 3 cube by x plus 1 x plus 1 square, okay, into x minus 4 is lesser than or equal to 0. Now I can find its solution by using variable method or science method. Directly draw number line, identify the zeros of each bracket. Okay. Somewhere 4 here, after that 3 none, after that root 2, somewhere minus root 2, okay, after that minus 1 somewhere here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Now I want to apply sign scheme. This is plus, this is minus, x minus odd will change, but x plus 1 even, no? Sign won't change, so it will change. Before that, minus root 2 satisfies, equality is there, no? Root 2 satisfies, 3 satisfies, and 4 won't satisfies, open circle, and minus 1 also won't satisfies. So your negative symbols, friends, here negative symbols means this area you want, so I can say that x belongs to closed minus root 2 to open minus 1, open minus 1 to closed root 2 union closed 3 to open 4. So I can go with option 4, that is D. The next question, friends. Modulus of x greater than minus 3. So this is non-negative number, it is greater than negative number, it happens for all real numbers. Irrespective of x, mod of x is non-negative. Non-negative is greater than negative. What means that? It is always positive, that's why all real numbers. So for all real numbers, above equality is true, that's why I can say x is equal to a. Okay, next line, the angle between the lines is 45 degree, then find the value of k. Okay. Two lines are given, angle between them, acute angle between them 45 degree given, we want to find the value of k. So you should use the formula tan theta equal modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So in this problem, what I can say, m1 means slope of the first line, that is minus k. So m2 is the slope of second line, that is to be obviously 8 km plus 3. So tan 45 degree equal to mod 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k. Okay, say. So 1 equal to 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k, which is mod. Yeah. So finally, students, what I can say on here, 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k equal to 1, or 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k equal to minus 1. So now we want to find the value of k. So 3 plus k equal to 1 minus 3k, or 4k equal to minus 2, or k equal to minus 1 by one of the k value. Here 3 plus k equal to minus 1 plus 3k. Okay, student, 4 equal to 2k, k equal to 2. So what I can say that k equal to or minus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. You can go with option B.